Sunday morning. Date 12/5/2010. The time 10:29 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This chart says IUXX. It equals NASDAQ 100. It's a daily chart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the pricing platform, and I am going to go up to the brain in here, and I'm going to hit 30. There, price all the lines. And a half delta movement on the NASDAQ 100 is 8.30. Delta price action movement, up or down. So, having said that, what I'm going to do on the daily, and if you want to get to the bigger analysis picture, I'm only going to blow up this part of the reversal right here. And once again, I'm going to pull up the hood of the SMF platform. It price codes, this info panel price codes everything in the system. Tells you when to be short here. When we called that reversal, Bill was here. On the daily level, we gapped up December 1, 2, and 3, right back up to this bar. 2184 is the daily bar. If I cannot close above 2184, that means that we're not going higher. And if I slide the bid below half of this other bar here, this half a bar right here is 2176.18. That was half of this last daily bar. The NASDAQ 100, that's this one right here, it says NAS 100, closed at 2191.16. 5.87%, or 5.87 on the day equals 0.27%. But here's the key level right here, MMTs. Let's be clearer about it. That this half bar is a previous daily bar at 2176. We closed at 2191. That means that in our system, that's 23.27 ratio above this bar, the previous daily bar before that. That's bullish when the half price action, SMF price action bar on the platform is ascending. That's when you let the glory run higher. Remember, everyone knows how to get into a stock. They never know where to get out. They ain't got a system that tells them. But rather speculate. There's no speculating with this platform, as all of you know. And the innocent people that have never seen it before don't understand it. You'll never know how it works either until you take the free 5-day trial. That is if you're serious about wanting to go through an apprenticeship to a professional level. If you don't want to do that, then sign up for some of our individual retail training modules. We got about 60 or 70 of them. If you're looking at being a professional, you ever want to get involved with this platform, you want to get involved in understanding things, then this is how you would get there. But please don't waste our time if you're not serious about being a professional. Okay? Basically, MMTs, what I'm going to clearly say here is that half of this price action bar has got to consolidate above that teeny line. We've got a bullish pattern breakout above half of the bar. The higher the ratio goes, that equals and turns into, these ratios equal the immune system of the trend. So just like a human being, we all have an immune system. When it gets weak, well, guess what happens? We get sick. But when our immune system is very strong, we're very vibrant, alert, and doing everything. Well, there's an immune system on the move here, pal. And the immune system to the trend, these ratios and these half bars and these ratios equal the SMF trend analyzer. So is my immune system strong? Is my immune system mild? Or is my immune system weak? Pal, if I break down just like I did here, and this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-day reversal to the bottom, to that delta support line, mathematically right to the T. There's the gap. There's the fade at the higher price. You stayed above these, and you broke out, and you continue to go higher on the daily. Now, if you don't go from here to the weekly, you're not going to find out. But MMTs, I got to close above this reversal bar right here at the end of the day, no matter what that is. And that's 2184. So far, we're at 2191. We're slightly above it. That's bullish. But if I slide back below it and I start to get a slide to bid below half of this daily bar here, I'm shorting the farm, I'm going long bear funds, and I'm going to be doing all kinds of wacky things that make me money in the trend.